Hi, this is Henk Akkermans and this is Supply Chain Dynamics, Chapter 1, Sysdea Gameplay 1, a short crash course in Sysdea. Sysdea is the tool that we use in this course. It's not a tool that is downloaded, that has its program downloaded on your hard disk. It actually runs fully within a computer, within the web browser of your computer. Well, let's go there. Here you've got the start screen. You go to the app and let's make a new model here. This is not the tutorial on how to make models in Sysdea. There's an excellent tutorial from Sysdea itself, which you can practice. This is really a first crash course in how to make a supply chain model. So let's make that in the chapter 1 gameplay 1, a crash course in Sysdea. Okay. Supply chains have to do with work that needs to be done and people that have to do the work. So let's make a simple model there. If I use the control button and the mouse, I can say add a stock here. Let's call this stock work. Let's say that we start off with 500 units of work. And we've just created our very first Sysdea model, variable. Let's add a flow here, connect it to there, and let's call this flow new work. Let's give it also a value of 500 per period. And then let's see if I can have another flow up here. And let's call this the completion rate of work. Let's say that we do 1,000 here. Immediately you see that that's a strange result, because since there are 500 coming in and 1,000 going out, you have a negative result there. So we don't want that. We want that there is nothing that we can't do more than work than we actually have in there. So I click on this one and I'll make a formula which says I want the smallest of these two, either these 1,000 or work. And if I do that, then you see immediately that the model results in a fixed amount of 500 work. No more, no less. 500 coming in, 500 going out, initially 500 in there. Can make it prettier by creating a graph of this, which for now will be pretty boring, but whatever. It will get more interesting as time goes by. Okay, so the 1,000, why the 1,000? Well, that's the capacity that we have. So let's add some capacity in there as well. The stock of capacity available, and that is 1,000. And this capacity available then becomes the variable rather than the fixed number of capacity in there. We still have the same result, and of course pretty boring. Let's see in the next clip if we can make behavior a little bit more interesting than this.